my channel. Today's video is going to be another hair review. I haven't done a hair review in a while because your girl just got some coins and your girl has graduation coming up and your girl wanted to look poppin', okay? I don't have my videos yet, and I don't know when I'm going to post this video. So I'm going to insert some clips of my graduation footage so y'all can see me rocking this hair. Oh Lord, I haven't even told y'all what hair this is. I haven't even gave my full intro. Like, that's how excited I am about telling y'all about this hair. So let's start over. Channel, today's video is going to be a long-awaited hair review on this hair that a lot of people have been asking me about. Literally, I'm gonna have to insert the clip of me when I first got the wig and I first put it on my head, and like literally I got so many like DMs. Like, they was like, girl, where you get this hair from? Where is it from? Because listen, I feel like somebody's like older auntie with this hair. Like, it gives me older teas. Like, I'm not a child no more. I'm all grown up. I don't look like a 12-year-old anymore. So yeah, like I said, this is going to be a hair review. Before we get into this video and I give y'all all the specs about this hair, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell also so you get notified every single time I post. I had to slow that down because I can't talk today. But yeah, other than that, let's just get straight to the video. Okay, you guys, so this hair is actually from Dsoar hair. Basically, in my mind, I had this vision of me having like a shortcut, and I literally went on the internet and started researching hair companies to find some company that had just a wig, an already made wig. This is actually my first time ever trying a wig, like buying an actual real hair, natural Brazilian wig. Usually I just buy bundles and a closure of bundles and a frontal, and I make my own wigs. So this was a very different experience for me, but I think I did a really good job, like, you know. And also I have a video already up on my channel where I'm installing this hair, so y'all can look at that. I'll have that link down below also. So like I said, the hair is from Dsoar hair. It is Dsoar human hair straight blunt cut lace front bob wig. I got it in a cap size medium, and it's Brazilian hair, and I got it in the length 12 inches. I ordered it on March 6th, and I think I got it literally like a week later because I know I got it right before I went on my trip, which was the 15th. So I got it literally probably like 2 or 3 days before that. So it didn't take long for shipping. And actually the original price for the wig was $96.91, but they were having some kind of discounted sale or something. I ended up only paying, the discount took away $11, and I ended up only paying $85.28, which was a deal because who getting wigs for less than $100 nowadays? Like, ooh, let me know. Somebody tell me, because this was a surprise to me. I haven't got no wig less than $100. But I mean, I guess because it's short lengths, but it's an actual wig, so I just thought they were more expensive. But whatever. So yeah, the wig came in this box right here. It was like in a little stocking thing, and these lashes came in it. I have not opened them yet. I probably will wear them. I'll try them one day because they actually don't look like the regular kind of lashes that people like hair companies be giving you. Most of the time they be looking trash. I'm not even gonna lie. Most of the time, the lashes be looking trash when you get them from other hair companies. But these are actually kind of cute. They're like real wispies. Like, they partnered with somebody and did a good job. Now, I did bleach the knots on this wig. I did it with 30 volume developer and some bleach. I probably left it on there for about 15 minutes. And it did pretty well. I think it looks really good. The bleach took very well. It took kind of quick, so literally it was kind of coming through to the actual hair, so I had to get that fixed. But other than that, everything turned out fine. I cut the lace, I did everything. Literally, I did all this stuff on camera. On my Get Ready With Me video. So like I said, I will have that link down below. The hair, I've had it since March 6th, like I told you guys. So it's been well over a month. I really like the hair. I'm very much enjoying it. I don't really have any problems with it. There is no shedding. There is no tangling. I think the only thing that I don't like sometimes is the hair naturally goes outwards. Like, it curves outwards. I don't know if that's because it sits on my shoulders. So sometimes I kind of feel like the girl from Jawbreaker. I'll insert a picture. But I mean, I don't have a flat iron, so I can't really fix it sometimes. And sometimes I do have a flat iron because I have to borrow it. Like y'all will see in the video that I have, my flat iron is broken. R.I.P. girl. Had you since 9th grade. But yeah, overall, I'm really enjoying this hair. I don't have any complaints. It's been a month, like I told you guys. Everything's going well. When I first got the hair was beautiful. It was so flowy. It gave me like, I don't know, somebody with some popping behind hair. It just gave me everything I needed, everything I deserved. When I put it on, it just gave me that girl, and it will continue to give me that girl. Because today, don't I look like that girl? No? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. But other than that, that's really all I have to say about this hair. No shedding, no tangling, no crunchiness, no smell when I got it. I also washed it and it still came out beautiful. And it's still as flowy as it was before. So yeah, stiff wear. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And Queen Beauty, out.